Hey guys, today I'm excited to show you the handy and incredibly useful app Props Love, the all-new app that allows you to give and receive praise to and from workers and local businesses. With Props Love, you can write positive recommendations for all of your favorite waiters, librarians, drivers, and so many other employees, and even get the chance to exchange props points for real-world prizes. Explore the many awesome features of Props Love in this video made in collaboration with Preapps, and discover how you can completely revolutionize the way you write and receive online reviews with this incredible app. You can download Props Love today for free using the link on the screen or in the description. All right, let's take a closer look. Start off in Props Love by creating an account and customizing your profile. You can add businesses that you work with as well as your role so that customers can find you easily and more efficiently. You'll also get the chance to search for employees at businesses that you've been to in order to give them praise. Once you've found the right person, select from a list of qualities that you found particularly helpful in your experience, such as their helpfulness, patience, and kindness. You can even write personalized reviews detailing your experience and why you'd recommend them to other customers. These reviews will then be viewable to everyone who comes across that employee's profile, so you can guarantee better business for all of your favorite workers. If you find customers you've serviced, you can also request props from them from your own profile. This makes it easier for customers who may not remember your name or are unable to find you on the app to give you praise. With so many options, Props Love provides users with a unique social community of customers and employees, and is a great way to show appreciation for businesses and workers alike. Another great feature of Props Love is Props Points. As you send and receive more positive reviews, you'll gain points that can be exchanged for a wide variety of prizes, such as gift cards to Amazon, Starbucks, Target, and so much more. This way, the app rewards users for working hard to give their customers a positive experience, and remembering to praise others for the good job they've done as well. Whether you're looking for a quick way to make extra cash, or you just want to make someone else's day a little better, Props Love has something for everyone and helps us remember to give thanks to the people who work hard to make our lives a little easier. With so many ways to use it, Props Love is a unique and extremely useful app that gives users the chance to give back to others and collect awesome prizes along the way. Be sure not to miss out on this amazing app and download Props Love today for free using the link on the screen or in the description. Enjoy.